Workday is done. We are excited. We are empty on gas, and your girl, we need to go get it. So welcome to my video. If you're new here, my name is Leslie Nicole, and yeah, just vlogging my weekend. It's a mediocre weekend, but nothing too crazy, but it is a long weekend. Remembrance Day is here and all the things. So yeah, let's go get gas and take you on my date. That's it. Welcome to the channel. I made it to the gas station. Yes, that's legit life. Costco gas, that's where it's at. But if you guys see right there, they got rid of that pump. So now people are like panicking. We don't know what to do, but your girl needs to get gas. And I can't let anybody in because I'm gonna die. Living on the edge. So I'm shooting some content. I got like my stuff here. I can't wait to try it on. They worked out. So excited. These pants. Fire. So now we're gonna go pay. And I of course have to stop by here. Love HomeSense winter. It's like crazy, like Christmas like throughout in here, but got the goods. Can't wait for content tomorrow, and yeah, looking forward to all of it. Got the stuff. Good morning, you guys. Shooting some content. This is the outfit. Where's Sarwar? Where's he at? There he is. Hey! Taking some pictures. Christmas threw up in my place. Yeah, outfit inspo. Love this. So cute. I will link it down below for you guys. We have this super cute sweater. I will link it down below for you guys. And look at this hat. Like living in our share moment. And with these perfect boots for the weather. Love it. Love all of it. So now I have this outfit, you guys. These pants are so cute. Love them. They're pleated. They have pockets. And they are very stretchy here. So I'm wearing size medium for reference. Paired them with some shoes. And then, of course, grab your bag and we out the door. Oh, okay. Just picked up this gorgeous jacket. You guys, I'm wearing a size medium. I love the beige, all the browns. And you guys, let's talk about these boots. You guys, like, loving these boots so much. They're inexpensive. They look like those moon boots. Very less money. So again, link them on my like to know it. Make sure you guys go check it out. All right, so we're here with another look. But you guys, I'm talking about these boots, or these UGG dupes. They are so cute and perfect for around the house or just running around when the weather is decent. So make sure you guys go check it out. I will link them down below for you guys. Okay, so we just finished shooting. I just finished eating. Had my coffee late in the day. I am going to go to the store. I'm going to go to the gym, and then after the gym, I'm most likely going to get ready because I'm doing a paint night with some girls. I'll bring you guys along. Sorry, so chaos. I did not update you guys. So this morning I woke up, got dressed, got ready. Aunt Flo showed up. That's lovely. So I'm feeling very big and bloated. Which is not good because I know that I'm gonna gain weight and he's gonna be like, what happened? But I know that once it goes, it goes. But my ankle, update on my ankle has not been a problem. It's kind of like here and there. I think it's just when I walk barefoot. Has nothing to do when I walk with shoes on. Have not an issue. But again, we're healing, we're getting there. Hopefully soon, because your girl really wants to play. So finished all the content, all the things. Yeah. So let's get ready. Gotta take these lashes off, and that's pretty much it. Just finished at the gym. Good life. Excuse you. Just finished the gym. Tried to save my hair for later. It's fine. We don't even care. Just a bunch of women. I'm gonna shake. Ready to roll. It's kind of funny because I love working out, especially on the weekends or when I have a day off or when I don't have the kids, because I can be at the gym longer and I actually do a good set. I feel like at lunchtime I'm kind of rushed. So that's why at lunchtime it's gonna be usually arm days, because arm days take least time, I guess, compared to leg days. But I did a combo today just because I couldn't get to a machine on Friday for my arm. So did that. I love the machine that goes like this because I'm trying to grow my shoulders, man. But, But it's just funny how like these, you know, people who do this for a living, they look great because they can go to the gym anytime. It's just us who like actually have a regular job, you know, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 or whatever it is. So anyways, just gonna go home. If you are watching me, gonna go home and then eat and then wait a little bit and then eat again. Or I'm probably gonna bring my food. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Nice for when you're doing fine details. You should have one of these Mondo paintbrushes, and this is just to save us time, depending on how many people at your table. And that's just to save us time. So the painting that was done was literally done this size, and I did this just
Finished products.
Never gonna say no to that.
So I just got home. Gonna take off my makeup and then go to sleep. But as you guys saw my painting, the red barn, but we put it in the garage because it's not coming in this house. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Had a great evening. Thank you so much to Jen for hosting. That was fun. Now I gotta wash this paint on my hand, but at least I didn't get it on my shirt. So anyways, happy Saturday and we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so I finished church just in the parking lot and served online and it was good. And yeah, that's it. So just leaving now. It is roughly, what time is it? It's almost 12. So I'm gonna go home, have a snack, and then I have to meal prep, do all the things. And yeah, it was good. Love the person I work with. She's just so young and had so many questions for her, but we left. So anyways, that's it. Yeah. All right, so battery's dying. That's great. So as I meal prepped, we got chicken, we got zucchini, and we got some rice, which is great. Yeah, just gonna close out this vlog because I've been literally I've been rummaging through movies. I just quickly saw Blue Beetle. I don't care what anybody says. There's Latinos. My homies are in there. So my family was in there. So I had to watch and it was really good. Loved it. So I literally have been sitting on this couch right here. I've been sitting on the couch and legs are up here and watching. And then now I'm on YouTube. So I'm gonna leave it here. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully this was an okay vlog. I mean, when I haven't, when it's weekends without my kids, it's kind of like hit and miss on what I do. But again, I'm kind of limited on what I can do because I'm in prep and I can't go out to drink and, you know, like live the life and stuff. But I can do things. We got to keep the food out of it, you know, for right now. But anyways, I love you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell on when I upload next. And that's it. We'll chat later and see you guys next video.